I'm going to trash this one out because it's not even working. It's not good. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzy. You are welcome back to my channel. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Leave a comment down below. So today I will be showing you this hairband, like wig cap hairband. I see it online, the way people are using it. I said, okay, I like using wig cap if I'm just going outside. I don't like to, it's not all the time I have to be making my hair. Like right now, I just want to leave my hair for 1 to 2 months. Let me see if there is going to be improve for my natural hair, because my natural hair is getting damaged. When I researched, they said is many things that I'm using, gel, spray gel, all those things that I apply. That's why my hair is damaged, and my hair before was very light. So I just want to give my hair a time, weave it at least, stay for 2 to 3 weeks, then I will take it down again. Just ignore if the hair is rough. See it yesterday, then I have to open the package and see what is inside. It just come like this. It come with this small package, and I order medium, like my brown color. It's rough. I don't know the back and the front. I will just first of all just put any part on my hair. Let's see the side that will work.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without you.
So I will be installing short bob front lace wig cap. I don't really want to gum it. I can't just be gum. It's not all the time we have to use glue. I hope this thing will work, because I see the way that we use it, that will shaking their hair. So let's see if it's going to work. Then I try to press it inside. If the closure will go inside and hook it. Brush it. Let me see if it's going to stick to the this is not working. It's not working at all. I tried the both side. I tried the other side, then I turn it again so that it will not look like I made a mistake. So use my hand, push it inside, because it have those small hole. If the wig cap, the lace wig cap will go inside, but even doing that, it's not even staying at all. It's not even gluing together. Nothing. See? So, you know, if we see something online, we don't try it. We think, oh, our mind will be thinking that will work now, that will work. It's not all the time we have to be gluing wig cap. It's only most of the wig cap that is easy not to glue is center part. Center parts you can just comb it for the 2 sides, just like if it's tight for the back side, it's so easy for center part. But for ear closure, like a full closure, is difficult, because of if you don't do it center part, you can't do it all back like this. It will raise up. So I just thinking of getting this one. This one will help me if I'm going somewhere like this, just to throw my cap on with this. But it's very tight. It's very tight for my hair, but it's not working. this is not working. No need of, it's not too expensive, no need of wasting $1. In $1, when $1 don't make 200 complete, you can't buy that 200 thing. So to buy this one that is not working, because I already buy, I can tell you that this is not worth it. It's just trash this one now, because it's not even working, it's not good. So to waste your money, maybe you see this one you think is good, to waste your money and buy this one is not going to work. It's not going to work, because I see the way they will incite this one, like they will just put this one on their hair, put wig, like turning their hair. It just stick like you use glue, or you use you use glue to glue your wig cap. So very easy like that. Then I say, okay, let me try it. But as you can see now, they are not turning their head upside down. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss any of my video. Leave a comment down below. Bye for now.
I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.